All right, welcome to Cloud Cream Demonstration Room. We're standing in front of a 240 liter liquid nitrogen tank. It comes on wheels and it's portable. It weighs about 800 pounds, so you definitely need it on wheels. This tank right here will make about 450 to 500 cloudy sized ice cream. And so we're going to give a demonstration right now on how we make it. So first what we want to do is want to get some liquid nitrogen. Then we have some very cold liquid nitrogen coming out of the tank. That right there is negative 321 degrees Fahrenheit. We actually breathe 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. And so this came right out of the atmosphere and they turned it into a liquid form. And what the liquid wants to do is turn back into its natural state, which is nitrogen. And so what you see here is nitrogen gas. And this is how we make our cloud cream with liquid nitrogen. So you can see we're not making it with ice, we're actually making it with liquid nitrogen. And when we add it to the cream, it creates a cloud of nitrogen, and hence the name cloud cream. So you can see inside of here, it is so cold that it's boiling. And so at negative 321 degrees Fahrenheit, it boils. So this liquid is very, very cold. So you can see that if you stick your finger in there, it turns it into a popsicle. You look on the other end of the spectrum, if you brought a 320 degrees Fahrenheit above zero with hot oil, you turn your finger into a French fry. So you can see the two differences here. All right, now that we got our liquid nitrogen, we're ready to go to create our cloud cream. We just poured our cream base inside of our bowl here, our mixing bowl. I believe we're going to make a strawberry-based ice cream, and here's our all-natural strawberry flavoring. So we're going to pour a little in here, give it a nice ice cream base. And then we're going to add some fresh fruits to it. I believe we're going to add some blackberries, and I think we went to the store here and we got some crushed up raspberries and blueberries. So it's going to be a very delicious fruity ice cream. So as you can see here, we're starting to mix up our mix in here with our cream and our strawberry mix. Give that a good mix in here. And what we're going to want to do is turn this into ice cream. So I really want you to see how fast we turn this cream. So if you can get around here, Doug, and get in here and kind of see that it's still in the cream form. It's just turning into strawberry liquid right now, and we're about to turn this into ice cream. So what we're going to do, I'm going to put my phone here, Doug, and I'm going to set it for a timer, and we'll see how fast it turns that cream into ice cream. Now, usually what happens is when they make ice cream, it's called churning, and they surround the liquid with ice and they churn it for hours, and until that cream liquid turns into the consistency of ice cream, and it takes literally a couple of hours. And I'm going to show you how fast liquid nitrogen turns that liquid into ice cream. So let's first get a hold of our liquid nitrogen here. It's very cold, so I definitely want to make sure that I put this my gloves on because it's very cold. Alright, so as you can see, Doug, you want to see the timer here?
Okay, here we go.
Okay, here we go. On your mark. Get set, go. All right, we can hear it cooking. We're at 10 seconds. Oh, we hear it cooking, cooking. It's cooking more. And I think we're about done. And there's our ice cream. And it took how long? Let's see what it says on the timer.
Exactly 19.33 seconds.
All right. So you can see here we've turned that liquid into ice cream that fast. So what happened on the molecular structure is it froze it so fast that the ice crystals are very, very small. Unlike if you was to turn it, the ice crystals are very big. And so that's the uniqueness of having liquid nitrogen make your ice cream, is that it freezes so fast and that it will make a very, very creamy consistency, a very silky feeling to the palate when you eat this ice cream. So what we're going to do now is we're actually going to now throw in some of your fruits and things and add it to the strawberry. So let's see. Let's throw in a couple of blackberries here. Alrighty. So we'll get some blackberries in here. Ooh, that's going to be very good. Fresh blackberries. Let's throw in some of our little frozen fruits. And this has a bunch of blueberries and raspberries and Marion berries, and so it's going to be really berried out. Very, very delicious. All right, so let's mix that in. Okay, and I think we have ourselves a very, very delicious ice cream. So if you take a look in here, this is what our ice cream is going to look like. And so this is a very, very, very delicious.
And very creamy too.
Yes, and so we mentioned earlier that our ice cream base is 100% all organic. So this is a very good, healthy ice cream for you. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a cloud cream. And I hope you can come and join us in our grand opening and have some cloud cream for your very own. Thank you.